Want to grow your business online? It all starts with a professional website. Today, we'll show you how to create one in just 5 easy steps. The first step is choosing the right platform. Whether it's e-commerce, a portfolio, or services, pick a platform that's tailored to your business needs. Platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Shopify are great for beginners or pros. Next, secure a custom domain name. A clean, branded URL like dub.yourbusiness.com makes a memorable impression and establishes credibility with customers. Your website should represent your brand. Pick a design theme that reflects your business values and style. Match colors and fonts to your logo, and don't forget to include high-quality images. Now for the content. Make it clear and engaging. Each page should serve a purpose, whether it's an About Us page to share your story, a services page to outline what you offer, or a contact page for customer inquiries. Last but not least, test your site. Double-check links, forms, and content. Once everything is perfect, hit publish, then share your site with the world. And there you have it, your professional business website, ready to make an impact. If you're ready to take the next step, click the link below to access our free resources or connect with our experts.